Yes, this video starts different. Okay, first of all, I need help. Okay, I want to get 100 subscribers by the end of this month. Okay, I have something I'm cooking up. Okay, my grandpa has a 1977 Monte Carlo. Okay, he has Alzheimer's and dementia. Monster 2 is what I have, but he has Alzheimer's and dementia. I don't know about you, but we don't know how much time he has left. So I want to share with you guys. Working on this Monte Carlo. 1977 Monte Carlo, which I know what you're thinking. Oh, they made so many of those. Oh, it's old and you're restoring it. Why would you do that? Because it's my grandpa's, okay? I want to give him one last ride in it before he passes, okay? And I mean, 100 subscribers out, get rid of all my hair, okay? Get a buzz cut, and it's gonna be donated so that kids can get hair and kids with cancer can get hair, okay? They'll get luscious locks, which would be nice. But also by the end of summer, I want to host a car show, fun car show. Everyone's invited. It would be for Alzheimer's and dementia, and would raise awareness and money for the research of Alzheimer's and dementia. So please subscribe and join me on this journey. Thank you.